Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send the crypto goods on another crypto wallet using Bybit application. So in the button navigation, you need to go in assets and then here is the withdraw or just transfer or convert or deposit. So here you just choose withdraw and then you will just say crypto withdraw and then I will just uncheck the hide just to get the test with you guys. And I will press USDT, and here you will find on chain, which is withdraw to an on chain address. I press it, then I will just guys copy paste the address from my friend or from my client or someone. Press it here, and the most important thing, which is the network, and each network and each thing it is have the gas fee. So guys, focus on that, please. And we get the amount and all what you need to do, which is you want to from the unified or from finding account, you can check and uncheck them. So that's it. You need the address, follow up my steps, and you can send your crypto goods in another crypto wallet. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.